take some after the wedding. And then bring me the salsa after. Oh, that is not important. Do what I'm asking to do right now. Where's the iPad? Joel, bring the iPad. I said that you're living in church for a long time. Oh, Charline, come and put the background. C'est la célébration. Aujourd'hui, nous allons célébrer les Ivoiriens. Ah, Ivoiriens, non, vous avez fait fort, quoi. Le match là était cube comme ça. J'ai dit, je me mets en tradition pour vous honorer. Vous, les Ivoiriens, la vérité, ici, on va vous honorer un peu. Vous avez la bouche, mais aujourd'hui, là, vous avez montré que non, c'est pas seulement la bouche, quoi. Vous êtes fort. No, I don't know. I think we choose this one. Yeah?
You have to move up the way for them to see it.
No, they can see it. I don't have to move. Stop it. Bring me the cutting board and bring me the green thing. Nous allons célébrer les Ivoiriens aujourd'hui et je vais manger la tradition. Je vais manger Akoumé. Je me suis mis en tradition. Donc, vous voyez, c'est pour célébrer les Ivoiriens. Non, Ivoiriens. Bravo. Vous avez fait fort. En tout cas, pour ce match-ci, en tout cas, vraiment. Je ne suis pas les matchs, mais j'ai dit que je vais sur Cannes là aujourd'hui. Non, vraiment. Aïe, aïe, aïe. J'ai kiffé. Vous avez fait fort. Ah, Ivoirien. Non, ça c'est bien.
Just one?
I don't want to be running. You running your mouth already too much. Okay. Donc, je vais manger Akoumé. You're not supposed to start it. That's wrong. Je vais manger Akoumé devant vous. Je me suis mis en tradition. Tout ça là, c'est pour honorer les Ivoiriens, quoi. J'ai dit que les Ivoiriens là, ils doivent être honorés. Je vais manger la pâte avec mes mains comme ça. La sauce traditionnelle. Oh, Daddy, c'est ma manière de vous célébrer, quoi, les Ivoiriens. Non, vraiment, ce match-ci. Ah, aïe, 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 aïe. Ce match-ci, hein. Ah, même le Burkina, ils n'ont rien compris, quoi. Yeah. Non, mais tous ont bien joué. Moi, je les aimais. Toutes les équipes étaient fortes, quand même. Ils se sont bien défendus, quoi. Wow.
Mama, you can't have the skin.
Hein?
You can't have the skin. It's only the meat.
Yeah.
No seeds.
So, no, I'm not going to give him. I'm not sharing my meat. No, I'm not sharing. Ah, Ivoirien, non. En tout cas, non, j'ai kiffé. J'ai kiffé. Donc, aujourd'hui, mon live, aujourd'hui, c'est pour célébrer les Ivoiriens, ok? Je vais célébrer les Ivoiriens parce qu'aujourd'hui, là, vraiment, vous avez fait preuve, quoi. Vous avez fait preuve. Je vais manger la pâte. Je vais manger la pâte devant vous. You know what there? You be checking on him time to time, you know him. Okay. Je suis en train de chauffer ma sauce. Et je vais monter ma pâte. Voilà ma pâte. Je suis en train de chauffer la sauce. Et je vais mettre la sauce sur la pâte. Et je vais manger. C'est ma manière de célébrer les Ivoiriens. Ah, Côte d'Ivoire, en tout cas. Ouh. No. No.
This scooter for this thing.
Yeah, good. I'm gonna just cut back. You're gonna warm it on the plastic.
Plastic. Because plastic warms faster.
And then, do we have KFC chicken?
One piece.
Yeah, I'll just take. I was leaving the piece for Jeremiah.
But I don't think so.
Yeah, I was leaving it for Jeremiah.
Cassie.
I'm not gonna put it back. He's gonna ask.
So you
I just want this.
your chicken.
My chicken. You see? Chicken!
Chicken lover.
Oh! Hey, mon chien aime ceci, la poulet là. Mon chien aime ça. Tu prends poulet comme ça, non. Mon chien aime ça. Ok, let's warm it. Ok. En attendant de manger, on va couper la papaye. Ah, la papaye. Nous allons découper la papaye avant de manger. Avant de manger la pâte. Ivoirien a fait fort. Ah, no, the game was just like, the game was so fun. I was like, oh my God, this game, eh? No, they did good. They play with Burkina Faso.
Which one? South Africa or Cameroon?
Yeah. They play, they say, look. Oh. Oh, man. Oh.
I think your chicken's done.
Okay. Nous allons manger la... No. What's wrong? Hein? Je suis en train de découper la papaye.
Okay, get the skins.
You can get it when I finish. You're too excited about food. That is wrong. That's your number one killer. Hein? Oh. Elle aime trop la nourriture. On va voir si elle est douce. Est-ce que c'est fils sweet? It's sweet and juicy. Is it wrong?
Yeah, I think so.
You sure?
Yeah, I think.
You put that over there, isn't it? Eh?
On her table ain't a bed.
What did you say?
What's wrong with you, Joel? He was laying down on the table.
That's right.
Table is not a bed.
I don't even see how many people is in there. Charlene,
Yeah.
come here. Bring me the crispy. Okay, go ahead. Don't do it until you see people. Huh? Bring me the thing. Stop it right now. What did I have? vraiment. Hey, put the thing, put the thing.
Just 6 people.
Go ahead. You need to make sure you apply the broom and focus over there. Don't run here because your eyes over here. You want to see what's going on here and just rush through it. Did you hear me? Oh, vraiment. It's horrible, guys. She's growing, but she's not growing the right way, man. I wish you grow the right way. Ivoirien, je suis en train de chauffer ma sauce. Je vais manger la pâte pour vous célébrer. Parce qu'aujourd'hui, là, vous avez fait fort, quoi. Eh, Ivoirien, non, vraiment. Le match, là, était doux comme ça. J'ai dit, je dois me retrouver au Maroc, là. On devait être au Maroc, ça serait mieux doux même. Ivoirien a fait fort. Vous avez donné la joie au cœur. C'est bien. Ah non. En tout cas, le Burkina aussi a bien joué. On va pas les négliger. Ils ont bien joué aussi. C'était un bon jeu, quoi. C'était vraiment un bon jeu. Ben, il fallait gagner par penalty, non? Il fallait qu'on retrouve le gagnant. Donc, les Ivoiriens ont prouvé qu'eux, ils sont forts. Qu'eux, ils ne vont pas rater. Hein? La Côte d'Ivoire dit que nous, on ne rate pas aujourd'hui. On doit rapporter la victoire. On doit rapporter cette victoire. Et c'est ce que la Côte d'Ivoire a fait. En tout cas, un jeu très bien. J'ai aimé ça. J'avais peur. Mon cœur la battait. Mon cœur faisait et puis, j'ai dit, qu'est-ce qui va arriver maintenant? Pardon, Seigneur. Oh. Si Ivoirien rate le jeu, là, on est perdu. Si Ivoirien ratait aujourd'hui, là, on est perdu. Oh. Les footballeurs, là, ils sont perdus. Et je priais pour eux comme ça. Je dis, eh, pardon, Seigneur. Seigneur, pardon. Oh. We can plant the seed, isn't it?
Yeah. Or on that soil.
Yeah.
We can like do that with the soil.
No, that has too many seeds in it.
Which one?
This one is up here.
But these are not.
Pardon. Non, vraiment pas possible. Je peux maintenant ouvrir une radio ici, hein. Oh, une seule question, tu poses là, c'est fini. C'est comme tu les as donné la permission de parler. Je vous montre. Je me suis mis en tradition pour célébrer les Ivoiriens. Vous me voyez dans ma robe. C'est juste pour vous célébrer, vous les Ivoiriens, quoi. Je me suis mis en tradition pour vous célébrer. Parce que vous avez fait fort. De quoi mange comme ça? Not bad. I just try it. But there's an aftertaste. The aftertaste.
It tastes
It's
a
a
little
little
sour.
bitter. Not a little bitter.
So like
Ok. Donc ça c'est fini, je vais fermer. Oh, ça ne peut pas fermer. I'm gonna need 3 because you can close.
yeah.
That's the last one.
Nope.
There's some more.
One more.
Because I don't want to smash it.
You didn't get all squishy.
Now I can close.
There's 2.
C'est comme ça moi je coupe ma papaye. Hein. Je vais manger la pâte devant vous. On va célébrer les Ivoiriens. Tu es en train de me... You gotta warm salsa. You gotta put the... cut it in half and put it in there and make sure you warm it. I just need one more. Stop it. Right now. Tu t'amuses de trop. Yeah. The plastic.
Yeah.
Be careful with my avocado over there. Ask Google what the seed, papaya seed, can do. It's healthy for us and the skin also.
I know skin has a lot of vitamins.
Oh, really?
Skin, but I don't know about.
So how, like, we can cook it too?
This.
Go warm a thing. Go put the thing. That salsa is too small. Gotta add more to it. We can cook the skin too. We can cook it like when I want to cook my with banana.
Thanks.
Yeah, you gotta ask.
Very good.
Because you want to eat the chicken. When I say cook it, you just don't want to ask.
What is?
I can cook it. We can cook and make it you out of it. I add one more. I think I add one more to it. Because the skin gonna be a good juice, you know. And how about the seed? Because it look like I said somebody eating the seed or something. Okay then. This gone. Now the third one. What did they say?
The skins are edible. I mean, the seeds.
They're edible?
Yeah.
We can eat them too?
Yeah.
But can we make juice out of the skin?
It said that it's not normally made for. It's not normally used for.
Let me see. Bring it. Let me see what they said.
This. It's less common and requires thorough washing as beneficial nutrition, but potential bitterness or something.
Bitterness.
Yeah. Or something else.
Let me see. Yes, you can use papaya skin in juice, but it's less common and required through washing as it contains beneficial. Oh yeah, okay, we make it as a juice. Okay, make it mix it with the banana thing. Bring the pad. We're gonna cook it with the skin and after that is ready. If the bitterness it doesn't matter, I'm gonna add the sugar to it. I'm gonna bring me the leaves over there. So I have another juice coming on. Wow. I am wow. Now we're gonna take everything. I'm gonna put it in there and put it with the seed too. And then if we finish, you guys can have some juice too. You guys want some juice too? You want some juice?
Yeah.
Okay. Jojo, you want some juice too? Huh?
No.
You don't want juice?
No.
What the?
I don't have to make this.
Huh?
I don't have to make this.
You don't what? What did you say?
I said I don't have to make the juice.
No, I'm not giving you the skin. I'm making the juice.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. I said you can have my juice, but I'm not giving you the skin. So I'm not asking you. I'm not asking your opinion. Did you hear me? Yeah.
Once you're done cooking the skins.
What did you say?
Once you're done cooking the skins.
You said you're still gonna eat it like that?
Yeah.
Ew.
What? Skins are delicious.
Ew.
My skins.
Ew. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hair. And I'm not gonna put that, I'm not gonna eat salsa in front of people. For the victory of Ivory. They are qualified for, I think, I don't know, I need to look at this, their scores. I'm not sure.
Those are
You want
last.
papaya?
Yeah.
Jojo, you want papaya? So you can take this, the seed, and you can take the skin if you want to.
You're hanging on to the things. Wait, can we eat the thing?
Yes.
Okay. Jojo, you want some of your cookies?
Yes, please.
We're gonna hold on cookies for Charlotte until she bring the thing. Because it look like you're gonna be another lie. So I like 10 cookies gone. Because ask her, she said she'll bring it tomorrow. You say you bring it tomorrow, isn't it? We're gonna hold on with cookies. If you lie, 10 gone. Jojo, come in and to which one is your box here?
The one that doesn't have paper in it.
And actually, so I mean actually cooking the paper of mine.
Why you are taking the paper?
I didn't. He
I
opened
had-
it and he threw it away.
No, actually, over here.
Well, what I know, let's go make sure. Because what I know, she's gonna have less. Did you hear me? You're gonna have less. So let's go make sure here. They both has a pack of cookies and they're taking it. But Charlene lost 5 cookies for lying. And if she do another lie, she's gonna lose again 10 cookies. So Jojo's supposed to have more cookies than her. But since she's smart, she'll be throwing the paper and using the paper that he is and be taking his cookies. So let's go figure out. Let's go figure out which one is less. So
I think I know what.
that's 3 over here and 3 over there. This 3 over here and 2 over here. This 3 over here and 2 over here. So this is 1 over here, 1 over there. This is 3 over here and 3 over here. This is 4 over here and 3 over here. This is 2 over here and 2 over here. Let's go count, okay? So that's 3, that's 3 or 4?
Oh, yeah, thanks.
3, 2, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay? So let's go see here. This one has 23 cookies. Let's go see here. This one is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So see, she put, that's what she did. She put the paper on her cookie. Then she,
Mama, wait, let me see that one.
this is 25, this is 18. So you are supposed to be more. You don't got it?
Wait, Mama. Okay, looks like there were 2 of them.
There's supposed to be 2 papers. One is that the other one has the names of the cookies and what they're made of and their specialty. He threw his two away. I have the one of the name of the cookies and the specialties.
You didn't have no paper on your
No,
thing.
both of them, they were unopened, so both of ours had a paper.
But what I know is this one is his cookies because you can have more than you.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know that he's supposed to have more than me.
Yeah. So I don't know how come magically
That one-
your box is more cookies than his.
Mama,
While
that one's
his
25.
so this one is 25. This
Yeah.
is 18.
You put the paper on his.
That's his paper.
He threw his away. There's supposed to be two. That one and
Oh.
He threw his-
Okay, yours has a paper.
yeah.
Okay.
because it's supposed to be
Okay.
that one.
Okay. If her has a paper, then she's right. So this is her cookie. Okay.
That means I must have made a mistake. You thinking that one had the description.
Oh, okay. Let's take 2 cookies here.
I'll take one, my vanilla pretzel one, and I'll take one of this. Yeah.
Okay, then the paper is your cookies.
Yeah. The one without the paper is his.
His. Got it. So now we're gonna hold on. We're gonna hold on the cookies for Charlene because it looks like there's another line. She's gonna show up tomorrow. Well, we're not supposed to be lying no more. Are we supposed to be lying?
No.
So you say your word, whatever word you say, you're gonna make sure that you mean what you say. If you are not sure, don't say it. You said that you will bring it tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you are not sure, don't say it. And if she doesn't bring it tomorrow, the little doggy gonna go to Jojo. Yeah, that's Jojo. You have a playtime with him. You bring it back in my room. She
I
lost
have
it.
a name for it.
It doesn't matter, Charlene. It was a contract.
And I'm not
Are you
telling
gonna bring it? You say yes. I bought you a toy because we have a contract or something.
Because I keep on messing with Frost. And I can't think of a word.
Charlie, you can have some.
Yay.
Since you want to die for that. Bring your plate. I give you the one has more meat.
Yeah.
You don't have meat.
Yeah, I'm still eating them. Frost, you can't have this. You can only have the meat. You can't have it.
Oh, I'm supposed to give you one. I'll give you some. Oh.
You give him the meat.
I want to give you some of this.
But no skin. You can't have skin.
I'm not giving you skin.
Because that can cause digestive problems.
But this one in human being, it helps you that. That's
Yeah,
what
that's
I bought it.
vitamins.
That's why I bought it because so I will do. That's okay, isn't it?
Yeah. I can eat the rest once you cook them.
Did you put the fire on?
Okay.
I need to come and try here. Come and try and put everything in here with the skin and stuff. Make sure I don't make any mess, okay?
Okay.
This one has no. Pros, you want some? Prosper want a papaya too. You want papaya?
He wants everything.
Mama, this thing is odd. It's like
Come here. So people will see you.
I don't like the taste of the seeds. It tastes yucky. I only like the skin.
Okay, I'm fixing ready to eat my.
Your celebration, Saza.
I eat akumen. Pour la victoire des Ivoiriens. On va manger ça.
well, someone had liked the live.
Okay. Thank you for liking the live.
Thank you for liking the live.
Next, here for to put is
Here. D'abord tapoter.
yeah, whatever she said.
Put them in the thing, in the refrigerator. Jojo, you like the papaya?
Sweet.
It's sweet.
Mama.
Hmm?
It was this criminal guy.
Huh?
Is this criminal guy?
Go put it back. Okay, guys. I'm fixing to eat my salsa.
I know it's
The plate over here. Ceci, c'est juste pour célébrer les Ivoiriens. Aujourd'hui, ils ont fait un vrai jeu. Je me suis mis en tradition. Et vous voyez ma robe traditionnelle. Et j'ai ma pâte bien chaude. Et je vais bien la manger devant vous. Juste pour célébrer les Ivoiriens. Ils ont bien fait, ils ont bien joué. Et là, vraiment, je suis contente. Donc, je mets ma pâte. Moi, je vais mettre, j'ai 2 morceaux. Mais je mets seulement... On va essayer avec le petit morceau là pour voir. Parce que c'est pas la sauce, je l'ai faite, il faut qu'on s'assure que la sauce elle est bien faite. Voilà. I need banana peels.
banana.
There's a lot of them, isn't it?
And that's it.
And then the thing, and put in, where's the leaves thing?
Behind you.
Okay.
It's called bay leaves.
Yeah, big.
Here.
Because that's your last bag.
Yeah, no. Ok. Bon, on va se laver les mains. Et puis on va manger la pâte. La main, elle est déjà propre parce que je l'ai lavée déjà, juste pour rincer. Oh non, this needs to go, this doesn't need to go. Bon, maintenant on va mettre la sauce en dessus. Oh yeah. I forgot about that. There's something else.
Ginger.
Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot a lot of things. Thank you.
2 things, but
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.
alright, I got one. Just go off.
Ok. Bon voilà. On a mis la sauce sur la pâte. Il y a un deuxième morceau. Si c'est bien doux ici, on ajoute. Il y a le poulet à côté. Et on va manger. Tout ceci pour célébrer les Ivoiriens. Ivoiriens, vous avez fait fort aujourd'hui. Ah! Parce que moi-même là, le match là, le penalty, j'ai dit quoi ça, c'est quoi ça? Ça c'est quelle histoire? C'est quelle histoire? C'est quelle histoire? Tellement j'avais peur. J'ai dit, si Ivoiriens ratent le jeu là, la population ne va pas laisser les joueurs. Les joueurs, on les a bien garantis. Ils étaient bien garantis. Charline, plug in 20%. 20%. Ils étaient bien garantis. Donc, il fallait qu'ils jouent. Il fallait qu'ils jouent. Ils allaient ramener la victoire. Et voilà. I need non, j'arrive. Hein.
Go! Before her battery dies. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
It's charging.
Run away, Ginger. Ginger tried to run away. I'm not going to use it last time. Allez, bon, voilà. Donc, on va manger la pâte. On s'en fiche, on se salit les doigts. Hein. On s'en fiche, on se salit les doigts. Donc, on doit le faire. C'est pour la victoire. C'est pour les Ivoiriens. C'est pour leur montrer combien de fois on est de cœur avec eux. Ce match-ci était vraiment bien. Et il faut une célébration. Et ben voilà, donc je vais manger ma pâte. Dans ma robe traditionnelle comme une cheftaine. Et on va voir. Vous lavez encore les mains. On rince les mains. On les rince. Parce qu'on les a déjà lavées. Elles sont propres les mains. Bon voilà, donc voilà. La pâte elle est là. Qui connaît ceci là? On va secouer ça dedans. J'aime. Ouh. Ça c'est très bien pimenté. Bon voilà. Donc en premier de tiers. On a déjà plongé la main. Ah, Seigneur, bénis ce repas et procure du pain à ceux qui n'en ont pas. Ici, nous allons célébrer les Ivoiriens. Bon, voilà, donc, assieds-toi. On va oh, la chaise même là ne veut pas que je m'assieds dessus, quoi. La chaise dit que pardon. Bon, voilà, donc, on va avaler. On va avaler. On ne mange pas, on avale, quoi. On va avaler, quoi. Mais c'est quoi ça? Qu'est-ce qui tire, là? Il y a quelque chose qui a tiré, là. C'est bien doux. C'est bien doux. Je vais mettre debout. Ça ne rentre pas bien.
I thought you couldn't sit.
This is so good. When you eat good stuff like that, you don't have to sit. C'est bien doux comme ça.
It's a secret recipe soup.
Mais on va finir l'autre morceau là, on va finir ça. C'est très bien doux. Allez. Give me Sprite or something. Spicy. La sauce elle est bonne. C'est chaud. La sauce elle est bonne. C'est chaud.
Open it.
C'est chaud. And bring me my glass of gonna put a little ice in. C'est chaud, c'est chaud, c'est chaud, c'est chaud, c'est chaud, c'est chaud, c'est chaud. Bring my. Ah ouais. Ça là, c'est pour vous les Ivoiriens. Parce que vous saviez, nous comme ça, nous on ne mange pas la pâte.
On this one good?
That's my glass. That's my glass. It's right there in front of you. Hein? Oh.
Put ice.
Yeah. Give the ice. C'est pour vous les Ivoiriens parce que nous comme ça là, la pâte comme ça là, like, prendre nos doigts là comme ça, plonger dans la pâte et puis manger là. C'est pas nous. C'est pas nous comme ça. Mais aujourd'hui, on est obligé de le faire. Parce qu'on doit vous célébrer, voilà. Donc, c'est quelque chose qu'on fait. Mais on n'est pas habitué, vous voyez. C'est la mettre la différence, on met la différence. Voilà. C'est mal doux. It's so good, guys. You guys want salsa? Ah, mes enfants n'aiment pas. You don't want it? It's so good, guys. With Ganti, it's so good. You want it?
No.
Joël lui dit, veut.
No, thank you.
Mm.
I just want my papaya.
No, I'm talking about dinner.
Oh,
You
yeah.
want salsa?
Yeah, for dinner, yeah.
Okay. Oh, c'est trop doux. Là, on a pris un gros morceau, on a pris un gros morceau. On a pris un gros morceau, on va voir. C'est comme ça, là, on a marqué aujourd'hui. Voilà, la boutique est là. On va voir si ça va marquer, là. Voilà. C'est un gros morceau, hein. On va avaler ça. Voilà.
Wow, Mama. Mama, while I wait for you to finish it,
Mais c'est mal doux.
can I go start doing my homework?
Yeah. C'est mal doux. Bon, voilà. Bon, la pâte, elle est finie. On est obligé de prendre le deuxième morceau. On prend le deuxième morceau. On met dedans. On ajoute la sauce.
Goodbye. So you're not gonna sit down?
Why is it good food? That's it.
Yeah, when you eat good food, you don't want to sit.
What are you?
This is so good. Ah, c'est mal doux. Oh. Ah, j'ai bien fait la sauce là comme ça. Ah, avant. Hey, si vous voulez les sauces africaines, n'hésitez pas de m'appeler. Je suis douée dans ça, quoi. Voilà. Oh, c'est chaud. C'est tellement chaud. Je suis déjà pleine. Je suis déjà pleine. Le ventre est gros déjà. Ben, on va manger, on va manger, on doit manger. Oh, mais c'est chaud. Ah. C'est mal doux. Mon chien, il est là.
That's the same, right? Baby.
Mon chien, il est là, il me regarde.
Oh, Mama. I wanted to do job shadowing at my elementary school.
What did you say?
My middle school is having job shadowing day. I think on February 6th. I was gonna ask you if I can do it. I want to do BHE, Bethlehem Mary. But apparently,
It's what time?
the whole day. From the time the elementary school starts to the end of the day.
And it's when it's on school day.
Yeah, but we're gonna be excused if we do it. If we get
So
approved.
we need to drop you off and pick you up.
That's the thing. An adult, it could be family, friend, somebody. Somebody has to be with me the whole day. It doesn't have to be you. It can be a friend or something. I'm gonna be
A friend who?
like, it has to be an adult that you know. I can't go alone without an adult.
Is when?
February 6th.
Which day? Which day?
February 6th? Oh, that is a Friday.
Friday?
Yeah.
You want to ask Grandma?
Yeah, Grandma can come with me.
So we call her today.
Yeah.
We ask Grandma.
I put you as an emergency contact and parent email.
Oh, je suis déjà trop pleine, mes chers.
Oh,
Mais la pâte, elle est là. J'ai déjà ajouté la sauce. Comment je vais faire? On va tirer ou bien? Oh, c'est tellement... C'est mal doux.
Before I submitted the form, I wanted to know, it's free. I just wanted to like ask you if I could go before I submitted the form.
No, don't submit the form yet until ask Grandma.
Okay.
So we can call her.
But you
can
do
call
have
her.
to drop me off though.
Yeah, you can call her. Oh, je suis trop pleine. I'm too full. I don't know how I can finish this. I'm too full. But I already put a soup on top of it.
Oh, where is that? It's so cool. What?
Just look for her name.
Okay. Career Center. That's what I was thinking.
That's Brad Baby. I'm too full.
You barely ate.
I know.
Done.
It's so good, guys. Ooh, I'm too full.
Come on.
Wow.
Turned off. Battery.
Yeah, you gotta wait time using it.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
I'll leave her a message.
Oh.
Voice message. That's Blackberry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's ringing.
We have all the way until the end of the month to submit it. Looks like you're gonna finish it.
Ça là, c'est une punition. Pour la victoire des Ivoiriens, mais il fallait que je joue ici avec ma pâte.
Forwarded to an automatic voice
Je
message.
peux même pas la finir.
Worship
Leave it.
Raspberry is now
Hang it up and go voice message and then leave a message. Give her the date, the details, and everything.
Audio. Good afternoon, Grandma. This is Charlene, and I would like to ask if you could be with me at Bethel Hanbury Elementary, February 6th. It's a Friday. I want to do job shadowing at my elementary school, and I was just wondering if you would be able to go with me. Thank you, love you, and kisses from all of us. Bye-bye. Good afternoon, Grandma. This is Charlene, and I would like to ask if you could be with me at Bethel Hanbury Elementary, February 6th. It's a Friday. I want to do job shadowing at my elementary school, and I was just wondering if you would be able to go with me. Thank you, love you, and kisses from all of us. Bye-bye. You good?
Yeah.
And it delivered. I just tried to find it.
Ouh!
Mama, look beside you.
En tout cas, j'étais la femme d'une voleuse. D'un voleur. Femme d'un voleur. Voilà maintenant. Les yeux sont devenus rouges. Ah, c'est bien. That was good.
You probably finished it.
I did. The soup is good. Good soup. Now, my nails are red. I made them dirty with the soup. Ouh. Voilà les Ivoiriens, on vous a soutenu. Hein?
We're gonna eat your chicken in front of them.
Hein?
Are you gonna eat your chicken in front of them?
Oh, I'm eating it, don't worry.
I thought you just said that you're full. Is that all you can really bring on?
The chicken are gonna put it for later.
What did you say?
I put the chicken for later on. I'm not gonna finish it. Plus it's salt.
Is it salt? I thought you just had chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Where did it
I put the chicken back here. Look at me.
go? What just happened? I have written in my agenda for I don't know how. Jamie.
And you know I'm done now. I'm not gonna eat at night.
Except for the chicken.
Yeah. Alright.
Today is Tuesday.
Maybe the chicken you're gonna finish it. I don't know.
Today's Tuesday. Yeah.
All done.
C'est fini.
C'est fini.
Fini, yo.
Ben voilà. Ben, c'était juste pour célébrer les Ivoiriens. On a bien mangé. C'est comme on a la pâte même sur son visage. Quand même fixé.
Wow.
On dit qu'on a la pâte sur le visage ou quelque chose. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Is that stuff on my face?
Where? No.
Ah,
Don't look.
non, c'est sur le téléphone. Bon, voilà, merci d'être connecté. Et tout ça là, c'était pour dire encore un merci aux Ivoiriens. Le jeu était très bien joué. Les Burkinabés aussi ont fait de leur mieux. Ben, on doit avoir un gagnant, c'est ça. Et les Ivoiriens ont prouvé que, bon, voilà, ils sont à la tête. Donc, on a voulu juste vous célébrer tout en mangeant. On s'est mis en tradition là. On s'est mis en tradition et on a mangé la pâte avec la main et puis directement devant vous et accompagné d'un poulet. Bon, voilà, c'est le moyen juste pour vous soutenir. Voilà. Donc, allez les Ivoiriens, on avance, le jeu avance. Bon, on est derrière vous. Bon, voilà, donc c'est la fin. Je suis à la fin de cette vidéo. Je vais revenir encore rebondir une fois sur l'affaire de, je ne dis pas, donc à vous de deviner. Bon, voilà, d'accord. Hey guys, now it's time to go. This, I'll put on my tradition dress. This is my tradition dress, yeah. Like a queen, huh? Just to celebrate Ivory Coast because they played a very wonderful game today. Burkina Faso, they did a very good, both teams did a very good job. But we can celebrate a winner. It's gonna be one winner. They were a winner today. So we decided to come in tradition and eat traditionally, you know, so they can see that, yeah. So, okay, we are now at the end of this video. I'll be coming back tonight, but for now on, let's go say bye-bye. Time to take a nap. We love you guys and we see you again tonight. Bye.
With game with me.